Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm just gonna do a very quick my go-to foundation routine at the moment. I don't remember if I've done one of these videos before, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I used on my go-to foundation routine. So if you would like to watch this video, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first, I'm going to set my face with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I need to get a new one because I'm almost out. Okay, next I'm going to take my wet beauty sponge and I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Praline, I want to say. I don't know. Praline, whatever. Don't forget to bring it down your neck, you guys, because then you're gonna see that line of your foundation where your foundation ends. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a little bit on my forehead, just a little bit. Alrighty, so once your foundation is all blended out, I'm gonna go in with my concealer from Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Tan Sand. Okay, what about?
I'm telling the people. I'm telling the guys. Those guys.
You're telling those guys?
Mm-hmm. And this is me, Lonnie. And this is baby Lonnie.
Once I am done, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with this Derma blend. This is in the original one. There's different colors, but I like to use this one. And I just like to put it and set it under my eyes. And put it all over my nose since my nose is the most oiliest, so I'm gonna put a lot. And I'm also gonna take that and put it all over my mouth, around my mouth.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry, Mama.
And all over my forehead. I just like to get messy with the setting powder, just to set everything, because my face, especially my T-zone, is very oily. Okay, so after I am done with that, I like to go in with this Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I've been using this lately and it seems to be working, because my Urban Decay, the one that I like, the Sleek Mattifying Powder, it's all beat up and the mirror is broken. I've been trying to get another one, but they don't sell it at Ulta, they don't sell it at Macy's anymore. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that and set the rest of my face. Okay, and we're done. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna dust my under eyes with this Morphe E3.
Mommy.
And I just really like to pat and then just swipe.
Mommy.
What, Lonnie?
You got to show them the guys. Your lipsticks.
No, Lonnie, not yet.
What do I got the other shades?
No.
What am I doing?
Next, I'm gonna go and bronze with my Anastasia powder bronzer. This is actually very dark for me. This is in the color Mahogany. I don't freaking know, but I think I bought it too dark. So a little goes a long way with this one. I've been wanting to purchase another one, but I'm not sure which one I want. I think I'm just gonna go back with my Too Faced one, since I really like that one. But I don't know yet. And I just like to put a little bit on my jawline as well, just so my face could look a little bit skinnier. I think I dipped it too much. Alrighty. And for my blush, I'm gonna use this one by MAC, and it's Blush Baby. And I'm gonna go in with this I guess like a stippling brush that I got from Amazon. So I grab a little bit and then put that on my cheekbones. My cheekbone or my cheek. Jesus, I don't even know what the parts of my face are anymore. Okay. So this is usually what I do when I do my makeup all the time. If I really want to do an extra step, I'll just go ahead and take more of my setting powder and then just carve out my cheeks. And I usually go with I have a piercing here, so I just follow that like that. Alrighty, so taking my Morphe E3 brush again, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this off. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again. Okay, so that's basically it for my go-to foundation routine. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But yeah, and if you guys are interested in how I did this look, then don't go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you want me to make a video for this, but nobody leaves me anything, so I guess not.
And the rainbow bar. I forgot the rainbow.
But yeah, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video or if it helped you in any way. But yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.